A good woman no coming from the Lord. They know they see her for market to you. A good woman is a blessing from above. Her type will not there for market to you. I tell you more, Yaku. When you batra kolisa seva, you know more those Yaku. When you batra those Yaku. Always loving everybody, no discrimination. What a dimma, no competition. Come and see the blessings of the Lord. Everyone Yamaka, Moses in a a good woman no coming from the Lord. Chuku is a blessing from above. Honeymoon, Akwanye chotra nezi wanye chotra no hiyoma. Akwanye chotra nezi wanye diamwe no gondo. He will find that the wife will find that the good thing. So dear man. And obtain a favor from the Lord. Blessings of the Lord. A good woman who coming from the Lord. For granted to avoid I know. If you lose a good woman, everything goes scatter. Everything go nyama. And so confusion. Wahala day. Honeymoon,
Olha o mais, olha o